wanna hold your body close to me. I wanna take you where you've never been.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and this is your girl Janen. When I watched Patrick Star did her makeup, I was like, oh my god, I want that look, I want that look. This girl inspired me so much. You know, Pia Wurtzbach is the bomb. She is a goal-getter, she is a Miss Universe, everything, brain, body, like, oh my god, what else can you ask for, right? That's why I really idolized her, and I was like, why not to recreate that look? And I think it's perfect for this love month. This is my second look. If you want to know, guys, how I create this look, stay right there and let's jump right into this. Okay, so to start with, to prime our face, I am using my hangover from Too Faced. I'm going to prime our face, and of course I'm wearing my robe. I get those Pia Wurtzbach vibes, and I'm saying. For foundation, I'm using my double wear, and this is in the shade Spice Sand, and you know that is one of my favorite foundation. So when I went to YouTube and watched Patrick Star's video, the first thing that I watched is the Pia and him, and I was like, oh my god, I want to recreate that look. And she gives me this Valentines vibes. She's hot, very hot, and I just love her personality. And I was like, oh my god, Pia, you're the best. What I like about her is she is a goal-getter. Lost 3 times in pageant, stand up, fought, and then, you know, and then she made it to Miss Universe. We're gonna look like Pia today. I know it's gonna be so hard for me to get it. I want my foundation flawless and flawless like Pia. And now we are going to move to our highlighter, and I am using my Maybelline Fit Me. I know she did not use this, but I'm gonna use it. Yes, we are going to blend this in. Alright, and to set with this, I'm going to use my Laura Mercier translucent powder, and you guys know I've been using this for a while. Alright, since I don't have Patrick Star palette from MAC, I am going to use the Juvia's, and this is the Masquerade. For my transition, I'm going to use my Morphe, and I'm going to use this color right here, this one. Because if there's a will, there's a way. I'm gonna blend this here, just in my crease. So I love how Patrick Star did her eyes. I think Pia has some hooded eyes as well, so we have a chance. We have one thing in common, Pia, we have hooded eyes. So after this color, we are going to use another palette, and this palette is from Juvia's. I am using this one. I'm using this color. We're going to add this here and concentrating this area only. And here I am building the color until I am happy with it. So I'm just gonna build that color here. We're just going to keep building up that color, but not too much. And my pressure in my hand is very light. Okay, so taking back my clean brush, I'm going to blend this here, because Pia Wurtzbach doesn't have harsh edges. Taking my Juvia's palette again. So taking the Dahlia, I'm going to use this into my inner corner. This palette is very pigmented as well. I like the way Patrick started her eyes because it's so easy to recreate. But she has a bold lips, and I like that. And to highlight, I'm going to use the same brush. I'm just gonna go ahead over here. So I'm gonna leave that away, and now to tight line my eyes, I am going to use my Smashbacks, and this is in fishnet. So for our eyelashes, I am using my Vegas Nail, and this is in a Grand Glamour. Our eyes is very soft and settled, so we're gonna do something dramatic, and that's gonna be our falsies. For my bottom lashes, I am using a Zulu, this color right here, this one. Yes! And after that, so for my mascara, I'm using my Lancome in the Finisals. I'm using this in my bottom lashes. Yes! I like that! So to powder everything, I am using my MAC Studio Fix, and this is NC43. And now to contour, so I am using my Kat Von D as well, and I am using this color right here, this one. So for my bronzer, I'm using my MAC and Give Me Sun. So this is the fun part. Pia's nose is very pointed and mine is never mine, so we're gonna do something about it. We are going to contour that, like what I'm saying. Contour done, bronzer done, nose job done. Just kidding. Now let's move on to our blush on. So for our blush, I am using the MAC Peaches, which is it's my favorite blush actually, so let's use this. And so for my highlighter, I am using my Her Cosmetics, yeah. And the name of this highlighter is a Afterglow. It's a beautiful highlighter. I'm already glowing. Just right amount of glowiness, what am I saying? I love this highlighter, it's just good. And now let's move on into our lipstick. Since I don't have a Patrick Wu or Ruby Woo, so I'm gonna use my own lipstick, and this is a Janen Woo. Just kidding. So we are going to use my Retro Matte, and this is in a shade Dance With Me. Same color, Pia. It's close enough. I love it. So let me just go ahead and get dressed, and I'll be back. Okay, and I'm back. So I put my red dress on, you know, hair down as usual. It's pretty close. The lips. Anyways guys, that's it for this video. Hope you guys like this video. I really had fun creating this look for Valentine's Day. And you guys, if you like this video, show me some love. You can share it and you can recreate it. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and let's be friends, because why not? And please don't forget to give me a like. And I'll see you again in my next video. Bye! I just wanna